Good day everyone! Today, I'll be presenting a simple grading system implemented in Java. So, this program takes a student score as input, calculates the final grade based on weighted average, and determine whether the student passed or failed. Additionally, it's categorized the grade and provides a descriptive remarks. First, we input the scanner object name, input the read data from the console. We create a scanner object name, input to read data from the console. The program prompts the user to enter a score for activity, project, recitation, midterm exam, and final exam. Each score is stored as a double to allow for fractional values. System.out.printf is used for format output, making the prompts clear and user-friendly. Next, the program calculates the average of activity, project, and recitation score. The final grade is then calculated using a weighted average, 60% for activity, average 30% for the midterm exam, and 10% for the final exam. An if-else statement determines whether the student passed or failed based on the final grade. A grade of 75 or higher is considered passing. The result, pass or failed, is then printed to the console. The code uses a series of if-else, if statements to assign a grade category based on the final grade. This category is then used in a switch statement to provide a more descriptive evaluation. A switch statement is used to print a descriptive remark based on the grade category. Note, the break statements are crucial to prevent false truth. The default clause handles grades that don't fall into the defined categories. The input.close statement closes the scanner to prevent resource leaks. And try natin i-run, and here the final output. If pass, activity 85, project 75, recitation 83, midterm 89, and final exam which is 82. And the final grade is 83.5, remark, pass, case 8, very good. And here the final output, if pass. And ito naman yung final output niya, if failed. Activity 60, project 59, recitation 58, midterm 52, final exam 51, and the final grade which is 56.1, remark, failed, case 5, and failed. And ito naman yung final output niya if failed siya.